Hey guys, it's Justin here, back with another installment in our Summit Racing trailer project. So what am I doing inside our studio instead? In the process of getting our trailer set up, I'm going to take you through some of the must-have tools that you're going to need for your trailer. And then we're going to head out to our trailer and get things situated. But first, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the project builds, tech videos, car features, and other fun. In our trailer project introduction video, we touched on how it can take a year before you truly have your race trailer set up just the way you want it. But today, we're going to cover some of the initial tools we'll be adding to our trailer before our first event or road trip. We'll be starting with our 72-inch Summit Racing rolling tool cabinet to keep all our hand tools and other gear organized. This black powder-coated steel toolbox is built to last, and it comes with 16 separate drawers. 1 top right, 6 left, 4 right, and 5 middle, to keep everything in order and easy to find. Its locking casters keep it in place during transport, and it can also roll right off the trailer if we're setting up shop at the track for the weekend. To complement our tool cabinet, we're also adding a DZ Specialty Triangle Trailer Toolbox for the tongue of our trailer. We opted for the polyethylene plastic version, which features a lockable lid and a lid support to prop up the lid when in use. With plenty of room for storage, let's look at some of the initial tools for our trailer. Let's start with ratchets and sockets, and we're going to go with Milwaukee Tools Ratchets and Sockets. This 47-piece ratchet and socket set from Milwaukee offers maximum tool strength and will give us better access to fasteners located in tight spaces thanks to the 4 degrees of arc swing and the slim profile design. This specific set features an innovative wrench combination socket design with 4 flat sides to prevent rolling, and you can even put a wrench on the thing. Optimized socket geometry also helps prevent bolt rounding and stripping, which is key when you're wrenching in a hurry at the track or drag strip. Included in our 1/2-inch drive set are a wide range of SAE and metric sizes, both in short and deep well. And as a bonus, and one of our favorite things, it all comes in one of these awesome PACKOUT low-profile organizers with a clear top so it's easy to see at a glance. We're also loading up with a Milwaukee 106-piece ratchet and socket set, and you guessed it, it comes all in a PACKOUT organizer. Similar to the other kit, this kit is divided into 2 sections, SAE and metric, comes with the same great sockets with the 4 flat side design, for anti-roll and easy identification stamped right on the side. So enough looking at this stuff, let's jump into some power tools because we all love stuff with batteries. Ratchets and sockets are no-brainers, but so are power tools these days, especially when they're cordless and portable. We turn to a familiar name in Cordless Tools. Hey, we know those guys. Our Summit Racing 20-volt 1/2-inch impact wrench is where the cordless collection starts. It's equipped with a high-performance brushless motor which provides 300 foot-pounds of torque. It's got ergonomic grips and it's weight balanced for maximum comfort during operation. It has forward and reverse settings and a variable speed trigger and an integrated LED work light to illuminate whatever you're working on. It runs off our 20-volt lithium-ion battery packs, as do all the Summit Racing cordless power tools. Next up is our Summit Racing 20-volt 3/8 impact driver, which provides 200 foot-pounds of fastening torque. You get the same ergonomic grip design and integrated LED work light, which comes in the other impact wrench, along with the forward and reverse setting and a variable speed trigger. It also includes a 3/8 anvil with a locking ring. Also in our lineup of Summit Racing cordless tools is the multi-purpose inflator. You can operate this thing off multiple power sources, including 120 AC, 12-volt DC, or a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. It's equipped with easy-to-use buttons and an ergonomic handle for comfortable carrying. Other features include digital pressure readout with automatic shutoff and a high volume or high pressure setting. The automatic shutoff to stop the airflow once the desired pressure is reached. It also has a backlit display to allow you to view your current and desired pressure day or night. It also has built-in storage for all your inflation accessories. Finally, we have our 2-speed brushless drill. It has a 20-position adjustable clutch to prevent stripping screws, 3 modes including screw, drill, and hammer mode, and it also has a variable speed trigger. Now, let's get back to why we're in the studio and get this table cleaned off. We're actually raiding this place for some tools to help round out our trailer toolbox, starting with some of our Summit Racing impact sockets. Now, these are available in a bunch of different metric and SAE sizes with no skip sizing, so you get every size. Moving on from there, we have some Summit Racing hammers, because you never know when you're gonna need a hammer. We have a dead blow and our SUM BP47, which I use all the time and I absolutely love. Accompanied by some Summit Racing ratchets, a 1/4 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/2 inch, because you can never have enough ratchets. Now on to our tools from Powerbuilt. We have a 3/8 socket and ratchet combo set here, along with some Allen keys and Torx bits, because those are super common on newer vehicles, along with some pliers, wire cutters, needle nose pliers, and a pair of channel locks. And then some metric and SAE wrenches. Now, this is just the first installment, and we're gonna be adding tools as we go, because you never know what you're gonna run into. And with these are a lot of doubles that we have here in the studio, so we're gonna be replacing these with some newer tools that we use all the time. But we had to get this thing totally accessorized to ensure our trailer was ready for its first event, and we'll cover that in an upcoming episode. Now, let's go get all these tools loaded in the trailer. But first, let's go to lunch.